Welcome to Da Nang. Today I'm going to show you the walk to Nala, to a beautiful husky of David.
Da Nang. Today we are going to walk from Danasol to the riverside. Come take a look.
All right. We're actually going to also pass by my favorite banh mi place. So David, how often do you walk?
Never.
Never?
Never. Once a month. So
He's totally integrated already.
I'll walk today and then I'll walk again 1 month from now.
Okay. How about you? But you are very active, right, Tom?
You betcha.
Yeah. Look at his fit. How old are you, Tom?
How old am I?
Yeah.
I'm 22.
22?
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's why you're looking so fit and young.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, okay.
The hair's just a little bit gray, but I'm still 22.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I
You're
get
like
that.
a day above 21. That's good exercise.
I'm just legal drinking age.
So are we gonna drink tonight? No, we're gonna take out David's beautiful husky out for a spin.
Well, this coffee shop is dog friendly, so it's like you're there.
The legend where we're gonna go?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. So do you think it's hard to get dog-friendly coffee shops
Huh.
here in Da Nang?
I think it's hard to find them because most of them don't designate whether they're dog friendly or not. It's just the owner is chill, so they'll let them in. Where in the US, it's very clear which cafes are dog friendly, which ones are not.
Mm-hmm.
Here, you kind of just have to try and ask them.
Okay, so we're gonna approach now my favorite banh mi. We have to go to the right. Oh, look at this dog. So that's 40 cents. I gotta try them on. Oh, this is not avocado, that's orange. What is this? That's a new place, I think. Hello. What is? Hello. Huh? Yes. Awesome. You too? What do you sell? What do you sell?
Rice
Rice?
und
Fleisch?
Fleisch. Alles.
Okay, dann komme ich bald, ja?
Super. We come from Germany.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay.
My Schwester.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I know you.
Okay.
From video, interview, and everything in Da Nang.
Yes, I do. Essen and hotels and everything. Now I'm doing a walking video, so I will put that also in, but I will come to eat.
Yes, it's new. Very good.
Okay.
Willkommen von Due.
Yeah.
Alle Gerichte von Due.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, so very interesting. They were speaking German and also knew me from my videos, from my food videos actually. And now, oh my God, now we're seeing the Canadians. Oh, and the English lads.
Hello, bud.
Oh, look at this.
Walk a few times. Ah, okay. Canadian,
Look at this. Beautiful pork belly. That's my favorite pork belly. Oh, look at this beauty. My God. Now finally you got it here, huh?
Yes, it was very good.
Was good?
Oh yeah.
Yo, did you like the pork belly?
Yeah, I love it. I've been like 4 or 5 times now.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, all right.
It's great to watch them how they cook it.
Yeah.
You know.
You're sweaty. Did you walk here from all the way?
Yes.
How was the check-in from your new hotel?
Amazing.
Okay, when do I come?
Amazing.
When
I
can
don't know now. It's a little too fancy for you. You're a little too much of a peasant.
Wow, he's giving me that treatment again? Wow, okay, he's in a 5-star hotel now and now he does not want to hang out with me anymore.
It's amazing.
Is he your friend?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Is he your friend?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
I guess not.
He's French, what do you think? Of course. Oh God, okay, okay.
No, I'm not kidding. It's the most amazing hotel I've ever been in.
Okay.
I got a bill on.
Okay, we're gonna review this soon, man.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, so I gotta go now. Someone has to. Look at this beautiful pork belly.
Rain coming in now. Yeah, you can feel it.
And here in all those side streets are a lot of good food places as well. But it's slightly raining again. Smells good here because of the laundry. He's selling some snacks, some Vietnamese snacks here. So this is very close. This street is very close to the An Thung area. It's basically in walking distance. It's between Danasol and the An Thung area. It's a parallel street to a very big main road. And I will put that here in the video as well, so you can see it. And it has some few local shops, some local markets actually. They are all left and right, a little bit hidden, but you can get a lot of fruit and very good prices here as well. And the food is phenomenal. There's so many good stores. You can buy so many things here. It's very good.
When it's raining heavy,
This is the market here. It's a local market. It's balut, coconuts for 50 cents a coconut. Very good. Have you been here, Tom?
No,
Not yet?
this is first time for me. I have no idea where I am actually. I'm
This
just
is the
following you.
this is the parallel street to the very main street, who actually ends up in at the airport.
Oh, is that right?
So from here to the left, there's a parallel street, and this street goes all the way to the airport.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So this is not the. This is the T. This is the Mercure Bridge. I forgot the name. It's a very famous bridge.
So are we quite far from my hotel?
Yes. We walking away from your hotel.
Oh, I see.
From the beach.
I see.
We're walking towards the river.
Oh, I
towards
see. Oh, she worked
Nala.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going to work David's place.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the fruit.
Yeah, it's amazing. This is great. This is like proper busy Vietnam right now. Look at this. He has a whole fridge on a motorbike. Look at this. What is that even? It's a whole closet. Well, this is Banh Mi Chai. That means vegan, right? Yeah. Ciao. This is beautiful. Hello. Yeah, it's very local, very friendly locals here.
How cheap those oranges are?
Yeah.
10K a kilo.
Oh, oranges, right?
Yeah, those are oranges.
Yeah, yeah. That's
From a distance,
nice.
you thought it might look like avocado.
Yeah, I thought
but
there was
it's not.
some, but and those are very juicy because it's very orange, right?
Right, yes. On the outside, it looks like it's
50
unripe.
cents for 1 kilogram.
for 1 kilogram?
Yeah.
Might just be for one.
Right. So this is a chair. Oh, I need actually some chairs. And you get some stoves here. You can get pretty much everything here. I think we have to go this direction, right?
I don't think we can cross here.
Oh. But this is we definitely can go into the left and right.
Yeah, we should go right here and then cross.
Okay.
Because you've been to the sports center, right?
Yep. You can walk through.
Have you been to that like staircase area?
Staircase area?
It's like the front entrance. There's like all these stairs. I don't look cool in there.
Ah, okay. We're gonna walk there. Non-stop. There's a barber shop here. Wondering how much that is there. And here, what is that? Suing? No. I actually never walked this one street here in particular. But this is my type of coffee shop here.
Where?
On the right. My type of coffee shop.
Oh yeah.
I like those coffee shops the most. Wherever you see Vietnamese uncles with cigarettes sitting outside, that's where I want to be. That's my people. And I will become a Vietnamese uncle as well.
Uncle Sam.
Yeah, I will walk around like this. They call me actually Uncle Mam Tom. Lots of
right.
people.
Uncle Sam sounds like American Uncle.
Yeah, exactly.
You can walk across if you wanted, but
You want to jaywalk? You can do it. Look at this guy. Nice gold chain, shirt open. That's the type of uncle I want to be. I need a very big, large gold chain. That's gonna be fun. Oh Lord. Okay.
actually, if you jaywalk, it's pretty close.
Huh?
If you jaywalk, it's pretty close.
Sure. But it's not like that normal zebra stripes. It's not jaywalking anyways. They don't stop for you, so
Yeah, it's not jaywalking.
it doesn't matter if you walk somewhere else.
David, are those shoes fit you? Or are they like 3 sizes bigger than your feet?
No, they're bulky, but they fit.
Yeah.
But they're just the outside is really
Are they
bulky.
comfortable?
I got used to them. They're just waterproof, so when it's raining,
Yeah.
you know, when the streets are flooded, I just walk into water.
Easy to dry it out, right?
Yeah, it's all rubber on the inside. This is like the Vietnamese uniform, the Crocs.
The Crocs?
Like, all the locals wear Crocs.
Yeah.
No, they wear these $2 sandals.
Well, they were $2 Crocs.
Made out of plastic.
They were Croc-shaped shoes,
Oh.
like bootleg Crocs.
That looks like a coffee for you.
This one?
Yeah.
I've never been here, but I walk by here.
This is very scary. The sound.
Now we're in my neighborhood.
Yeah, the upper scale.
Koreatown.
The different tax
This
bracket.
is the Korean town?
Not really. I just joke.
Oh.
It is. It
This
is.
building is mostly Koreans. Koreatown is more like Songcha.
Sontra, that's true.
Yeah, on the
And
beach.
Haichao, basically. Han Market, I would say.
Market, yeah.
Everything around Han Market.
It must be an upscale area because you don't see motorbikes around here.
True, true. And here's a gym, Black's gym. With Zumba.
Hardly anything here.
We'll hit a big street up there, but it is quieter. There's actually a lot of really good local restaurants down here in these like corners. They're all out of somebody's house.
Yeah.
True.
So, Bombo Hui, or not Hui, but Bombo down here, Mi Wang. And these are all like 20K for a meal because now we're local and not in Entong. And it's like even better, taste-wise.
And it tastes authentic too.
Yeah, it's great.
I have the same experience with Sontra, even though it's very touristy, or like few places are very touristy, but there are so many good local spots. So very, very, very good local spots actually.
Yeah, there's a lot of locals that live in
Sontra,
Songcha.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
But
yeah.
there are like 0 locals that live in Entong,
True.
right?
True. There is few, but they're usually not from Da Nang. They're usually from north or south. Oh, look at this! Some very nice karaoke.
That's how you know it's local. 24/7 karaoke.
And David is. So here, this whole place is a sports center. You can go there, you can play tennis, you can play basketball. There is an indoor paddleboard and like, what is it called? The dorky sport. The fake tennis. I don't know what the name is. Please comment below with the puddle thing. So we're gonna be close to Euro Village now. Okay. Look at this big booty. She's a big booty Latina. They're always feisty. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Nala. I know, she doesn't like me either.
Nala doesn't like people saying. Nala doesn't know how to let dogs in. Yeah, or step inside.
You cannot take her serious with the big booty. It's like a Kim Kardashian.
Nala snapped it.
Look at Kim K. What is her name? Min?
Knee and I.
Nick Kardashian.
Knee, you're a little feister. Look at Nola. She's so nice and calm.
Can we go inside with her? Yeah, let's go straight.
Knee is the
Come. Where are you sitting? We're sitting here. Come here, Nala.
My park all day.
I'm so excited. Hello, Nala. Hello. 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 Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god. She has such a nice fur. Yeah. Hello, Nala. Look at this feisty poodle. Oh. She's so nice.
She's so calm. She doesn't consider that dog is going after her.
Every dog, all the little dogs want to fight.
Wow, that's very nice. Hey.
Sit down, no, sit.
Nala.
Let her explore a little bit.
Got
The next dog is not going to be like Nala. Like, just know that she's not a normal dog. It's not easy.
It's her dog, right?
Yeah.
You're famous. How many subscribers do you have, Nala?
And
Huh?
he came from
9,700.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at how good she's sitting here, huh? And such a mean little. Oh my god, she's attacking other poodles with big booties. What are those? Why does it also big booty? Is it a trend with the big booties?
Following you.
Oh my god, look at this big booty trend.
That's his girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's funny. We only like her. You are way nicer than them. Yeah.
Nala, come here. She's gonna go over and peek at them and make them bark again.
Oh.
No, go this way.
She's happy to be out there.
Dominate her, and then she'll like really put them in their place.
Yeah, my dog's like that. You know, he's a small dog syndrome, right? Like, she would bark at every dog, and then when the big dog gets really mad, she would run right behind me.
Yeah, so we've actually used her a lot in LA when like our family members.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, especially for Nala. And see you in the next one.
Peace.